When you first get your farm stand Nook and each week after, there are a few things you'll need to do to make sure that your plants stay happy and healthy. Refill the water, add nutrients, and test and adjust your pH. And remember, you'll always get expert advice and recommendations in the Lettuce Grow app available on the iOS and Android App Store. We'll be dissolving our nutrients before adding them to the tank, so have 2 lidded jars of warm water ready. Add 1 teaspoon of nutrient A and B to their respective jars, screw on the lid, and shake until the nutrients have fully dissolved. Pour the nutrient mixture into the farm stand Nook's tank. Don't forget to add more water until it reaches the max fill line before moving on to the next step.
Now, let's test our pH. If your farm stand isn't running, activate your pump to circulate the water. The optimal range for plant growth is 5.8 to 6.2. To test that, you're going to take this vial here, fill it up with water from your farm stand, and then you're going to put 5 drops of our pH test solution into the vial. Next, shake it up and compare the water's color to the kit. Make sure it's in the acceptable range of orange to yellow. If your pH is above the 5.8 to 6.2 range, you'll need to lower it by adding the pH down.
Time to adjust our pH. Your farm stand should be running, and that is ideal to help the liquid pH thoroughly mix in through the water. But take it slow. You don't want to add too much pH at once, especially if the range is not that much higher than the ideal range you're looking for. So I'm going to start with 5 milliliters, but if it's still too high, you can use 10 milliliters. I'm going to add this in here, and then I'm going to test it again after 5 minutes of letting the pump run. Remember, these are just recommendations. You want to react to your water and make adjustments from there.